Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered where your data goes when you are not using it? No, it's not chilling on a beach in Bahamas. Unless that beach is called Amazon Glacier. Today, we are diving into two AWS storage options, S3 and Glacier. The fast, the slow, the cheap, and the cheaper. By the end, you will know exactly where to put your cat videos, your backups, and your boss's 10-year-old spreadsheet. Let's first look into what is S3. Simple storage service. S3 is what's called object storage. That means you store files or objects along with metadata inside something called a bucket. Buckets are like folders, except they can hold billions of objects. Key features. So, what makes S3 so great? Scalable. You don't have to guess how much space you need, whether it's 10 files or 10 millions. S3 can handle it. Example, your app goes viral, no worries, S3 scales automatically. Durable. Amazon promises 11 nines of durability, that is 99.99999999%, which means your data is safer in S3 than on your laptop. Example, if you store 1 million files, statistically, you would lose one every 10,000 years. Highly available. S3 is designed for 99.99% availability. So, your data is accessible basically all the time. Fast access. We are talking milliseconds. Whether you're pulling up a product image or downloading a report, it's quick. Glacier. Glacier is the deep freezer of AWS. It says, you can store as much as you want, but don't expect it back quickly. There are two main types. Glacier Flexible Retrieval. Cheap, but retrieval takes minutes to hours. Glacier Deep Archive. Super cheap, but can take up to 12 hours to get your data. Use Glacier for compliance, archives, old backups, data you access once in a blue moon if ever. Alright folks, it's time for the ultimate AWS storage face-off. S3 Standard versus Amazon Glacier. Speed versus savings, hard versus cold, fast access versus deep freeze. Let's break it down feature by feature and help you choose the right one without breaking your brain or your budget. Category 1. Access speed. S3. Milliseconds, you blink, it's loaded. Glacier, minutes or even hours. Winner, S3 for anytime, real time. Category 2. Cost per GB. S3 Standard, around 0.023 cents per GB per month. Glacier Deep Archive, as low as 0.00099 cents, thus less than a tenth of a cent. Yeah, thus store all your embarrassing high school photos forever cheap. Winner, Glacier, no question. Category 3. Use cases. S3. Active data, websites, apps, logs, media. Glacier, cold archives, compliance, backups, things you hope you never need to open. Winner, both, but for different missions. Category 4. Reachable cost. S3. Free to access mostly. Just pay for requests and outbound data. Glacier, you pay to retrieve, especially with Deep Archive. Winner, S3 for frequent use, Glacier if you rarely touch it. Category 5. Durability. Surprise! Both offer the same crazy durability, 11 nines. Winner is a tie, both are the winners. So, what's the takeaway? Use S3 when you need your data now, use Glacier when you might need it eventually, but don't want to pay much to keep it. One is like a sports car, the other is like a shipping container at the bottom of the ocean. Let's discuss use cases. User profile images for a web app? Use S3. Audit logs from 7 years ago just for compliance? Glacier. A video you made in college that's embarrassing but you can't delete? Glacier. Or maybe a USB stick under your bag. Daily access logs from your app? S3. Final thoughts. S3 and Glacier aren't enemies, they are partners. Use S3 when speed matters. Use Glacier when cost matters. And use both smartly to save money without losing sleep over your data. If this helped you pick the right AWS storage, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, because we have got more tech matchups coming your way.